Hey, nice you're here! I'm gonna show you how to back up your Docker volumes on your remote server with ease and store them safely on your local hard drive. Alright, let's jump right in. At first, on your server side, we check which Docker volumes are available. Here we can see that we have 3 volumes which we want to back up. To run our backup, there's a cool little utility script named vackup. You can find it on GitHub. Just go to github.com and type in the search bar vackup and then select the one from Brad Fisher. Right in the first sentence, you can see that this script is used in the officially Docker desktop extension for backups, so you can be sure that it works how it should. Scroll down and copy the installation link. Back to our server, we just paste the link and hit the return button. The utility is now installed and ready to use. Let's give it a check. Okay, cool. Now comes the fun part. To back up all of our volumes, we write a tiny little script on our own to go through all available volumes, attach a timestamp and store them in a directory with a current date so that our backups are organized automatically. Because we are just a lazy human, right? So, kick your favorite editor in our case it's Nano, and give your script a fancy name. Here we use backup_script.sh. Of course, we start with a shebang to use the right shell in our script. We define a variable to set our backup destination and create the folder if it doesn't exist. Better safe than sorry. Now, after we change our working directory to our backup destination, we grab all the names of our Docker volumes and loop through it so we can run our backup one volume after another. Inside the loop body, we store the current date and attach it to our backup file name. As I mentioned, we want to store our backup files in a date-based directories. So we just use our date variable to create, right here, the correct folder. And inside our date folder, we simply run our backup utility. The syntax is easy and straightforward. Just type in backup, use the export option, provide the volume name, and finally throw in the file name for your export. And we're done. Okay, let's test our script. Don't forget to change the permission for execution. So we run our script with sudo because Docker CLI needs root permission to run. And so it begins. The script downloads the busybox image from Docker Hub, spin up a new container with that image, and attach the provided volume to it. After that, it just zips all files of the volume in a tarball archive. Okay, cool. All of our volumes are backed up nice and smooth. But you want to download your backup right to your local hard drive. Because it's better to have a backup of your backup, right? Go to your local terminal and choose a destination directory. Let's check if no dirty laundry was forgotten. Nope, everything is clear. Now with just one simple scp command, which stands for secure copy, we can just download our backup files. Use the R option to recursively download all files at the target, give the remote user for logging in, type in the IP address of your remote machine, and now we use our backup destination we used earlier in your script. Don't forget the little asterisk to grab all files and folders at the destination path. And at least provide the folder where the files should be downloaded. Hit return and let the magic happen right after you enter your password. That's it. All files are downloaded. Let's check this. Yep, we have our date name directory. And yep, all files are included. Nice! At the end of the day, we don't want to run our script manually, so we just schedule our backup procedure periodically. We head right back to our server and smash the cron tab editor. In our case, we want to run our backup every Monday at 3 AM because normal people are just hugging their pillows at this time and the server should have enough resources free for our backup process. Save our file and that's it. Our volumes will be now backed up automatically in a nice and tidy folder structure. Oh yeah, here's a little bonus for you. If you don't want to download all the backups at once, just use rsync to download only the newest changes to your local hard drive. Saves traffic and space. Instead of using the scp command, just use the rsync equivalent for this.